Good morning. Welcome to Saturday. Welcome to the Canadian Stamper. It's Tanya. We're doing a special live on location Facebook Live this morning. And my original plan was to do some crafting while camping, but I have learned and read the audience this morning that 9 o'clock is too early for teenagers to craft. So I'm going to flip my camera around and I'm going to show you everybody and where I am and what's happening. And then I'm going to show you the class for next week if you're interested in registering. And then we're going to go over the craft kit that the boys are going to make later when they're a little more awake. Okay, here we go. I'll give you a guess as to where we are. We're camping. There's the Cunliffe family over there waving. There's our tents. Zachary's hanging out in there. Morning, Lori. There's Lance.
Morning.
He's made us breakfast this morning. We got breakfast burritos going. There's Zachary.
Deconstructed burrito.
Good morning, Zach. Okay, look at my crafting stuff out. Of course. So this is the kit. Lance is going to help me. Lance, will you help me with the camera here so I can... Usually I have a stand. Okay. So this is the paper pumpkin kit. This is Batter Up, May 2021. So this is last month's kit. So I want it to be a surprise for you, Zach, so don't watch. Okay, so Paper Pumpkin is your monthly all-inclusive paper crafting kit. So it's $30 delivered to your door and it's got everything in it. So this is an ink spot. So this is your ink for your projects. This is a photopolymer stamp set. So this one is focused around Father's Day. Oh, don't watch either, Lance.
Okay, I'm not
So the Cunliffe boys and the Bonds boy, I thought they could make some Father's Day cards while they're here crafting or camping, because last time with our friend Evan a few years ago, they did some crafting while they were camping for their teachers. You're not supposed to see this. Okay, bubblegum, Hubba Bubba, which is, if you saw maybe in some other posts, is the national chewing gum of the MBL. Is that right? Major Baseball League. Yes. Okay. So here's what our kit looks like this month, or for this one. So Batter Up. Now, these are obviously Father's Day themed, and you can make them. If the man in your life, grandpa, dads, uncles, have baseball, then sure you could do the baseball themes. But if they're not baseball, then you can still get a non-themed baseball card. And then of course there's all sorts of paper pumpkin alternatives that you can do. Just because it's baseball themed doesn't mean you have to follow the instructions specifically. So let's have a quick look at what's in here. Thank you, Lance, for being a good cameraman. Whoops. Okay. So in the kits, you've got some embellishments. Here's your dimensionals and some twine. And this is that's for your sentiment strips on. So the purpose of these kits is to have everything you need all in one contained box to make all of the projects. So these are your coordinating envelopes. Looks like you get to make 8 cards here with this. And then these are your card bases. So it'll likely be 3 of 4 designs. So it's got a nice wood background color to it. And then that one. So nice masculine themed. And then like any paper pumpkin, you've got your pop out pieces to go on your card. So there's a few sheets of those. Yeah. So that's great. Now, another part that's important to the paper pumpkin kit is that it always comes with your instruction sheet. So it's got your step-by-step instructions, 1 through whatever you need in order to make each of your card. If you need help, of course, for sure go rogue if you have a different idea that pops into your head. And then this tells you what's in what's in the kit, and then it gives you some alternatives here, and then it's got a QR code, and you can get a video on how to make the kit if video works better for you for learning. Okay, so that's the kit. Now, stay tuned. We'll do an impromptu live later today when everybody's a little bit more awake to that. This is the paper pumpkin for next month, Expressions in Color. Dream in Color. Looks like there's going to be a purple theme. Watercolor maybe. So this one I think you're going to get two. Okay, so it covers off the in colors. So those are the special colors. You're going to make 9 cards with envelopes, 2 ink spots, and this is an ink spot, and an exclusive stamp set wrapped up in a cute colorful box as usual. Okay, how we doing? So that's fun. Now let's look at, if you want to go back a bit, what are my comments saying, Lance? You got to read my comments. What did I say?
Read them out loud?
Yeah, well, maybe somebody's got a question.
I have a so cute.
Yep.
With Heather. Heather loves the new instructions.
Oh,
very well done.
I do too. Yep.
Yep, that's all. I don't know how to work this thing.
Okay. Good job, Lance.
Oh, there's more there.
Okay. So the Flowers of Friendship class, which is next weekend. So a few of you have already RSVP'd, which is great. So the order needs to go in tonight so that everybody gets their kit. So it's a bundle class. Could you go backwards a little bit just so they can see the punch set too?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. So punch. So I'll show you how to line up your stamp to get into there. And then this is the stamp set. Let's see. It is going to be a red rubber stamp set. Okay, so I did my information about this class a little bit different in that I just showed pieces of the cards. So I'm going to show you what the cards look like just so that you can get a feel, because the colors really pop, and it's a really fun class, I think, because of the colors, but then because the flowers are very versatile. So in this one, you can see how you can stack up the flowers and make multiple layers. So we're going to make our own background. So that's one. I'll put them here on the bag. Now, this one has a beautiful set of dies that I've used to make this background in the back. And this is one of the pinks from the new in colors. And then I've just built up the flowers here. And you can also color in these flowers, and they're quite striking. So that's the other one. Then we're going to use some designer series paper from the new catalog, and then we're going to build up around the sentiment again with leaves.
We have a question.
Oh, okay.
Heather wants to know if she can join the class if I already have the bundle.
Absolutely. I will send you the kit. I think it's $15, $20. I'll message you afterwards, and I will send you the kit for sure. Sounds good. Now this one is the last one, and it's my favorite.
Second.
And this one really has got some pop to it. I'm going to put it in the sunshine a bit.
Can you get that?
And this is called a cascading card. So what we do, I'm just going to open it up so you can see the back there. So we cut the front panel of the card down a little bit so that we can then have all the flowers, go over the edge, and it's like they're cascading down the side of the card. I really had fun making this one. It's got all the new in colors, and I just really love all the colors and how they pop. So this one's going to be really fun to make. They're all going to be fun to make. All right. Good job, Lance. Thumbs up for Lance. Okay, I will take it back now. Thank you. Okay, so that's the class. That's our kit for later. So I will show you how we're going to do the paper pumpkin later. We're just putting into a power source here. Okay. So that's going to be it for our Facebook Live this morning, because My crew's not ready to attack the paper pumpkin yet. I'm gonna take you for a little walk over to the Cunliffe campsite and introduce you to Echo. Echo is the puppy. There's Echo. You're live, Echo. Say hi. Hi, Echo. Super friendly puppy. Let me fix your ear, buddy. Yeah. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks. Thanks. All right. Cunliffe's got the fire going, which is awesome. Say hi, Michael.
Backgammon champion, beat Trisha Cunliffe.
Oh.
All that live there.
You're already playing games this morning.
Yeah, we are.
Love it. Good times. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to seeing you at the next Facebook Live, perhaps later today, for the paper pumpkin. And have a good day, guys. Enjoy the long weekend. Bye for now.